Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today we are going to be doing technical analysis for gold US dollar. Before starting the analysis, we'll look at the economic calendar, get the glimpse of the events planned for today. Then we'll look at the DXY. Then we'll start our analysis. So today is Wednesday, March 30th. When we look at the events planned for today, 5:30 AM we have medium impacting news for New Zealand dollar. Then all day we have low impacting news for Swiss francs, euro, again Swiss francs. At 5:45 PM, this is all Indian Standard Times, we have high impacting news for US dollar currency pairs. Then 6 PM also we have medium impacting news for US dollar currency pairs, also low impacting news. 8 PM we have medium impacting news for US dollar. Again at 10:30 PM we have medium impacting news for US dollar currency pairs. So we have medium impacting and high impacting and low impacting news for US dollar coming up today. So plan your entry and exit based on this news schedules. Let us look at dollar index. I'm in hourly time frame of dollar index. When we look at the past price action, it was continuously on a bullish trend, taking support on this trend line or support line. All the time it has gone up. It has found resistance at the level of 99.341, and currently also it has found resistance at this level, and the price action has bounced back. And every time when it retraces, you can notice that this level of support, which is around 97.75, is acting as a strong support whenever the price action bounces back or retraces. So we can expect the current price action also retrace up to this level and to bounce back on the bullish trend. As long as this level is holding strong, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in DXY. So currently we are noticing a retracement or a bearish trend in DXY. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is a range bound market moving on a sideways. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold. When we look at the price action in gold, I have already drawn a resistance line or a trend line, and you can clearly notice that the price action has broken this trend line and it is trading below this trend line or the resistance line. And I have drawn one more trend line over here, and here also it has broken this trend line or the resistance line, and current price action is trading below this trend line or the resistance line. Looking at the candlestick formation, it has formed a hammer candle. Again the candle has opened below the previous close level. So we are seeing a weakness in gold for now. So if the price action doesn't close above this candle on the bullish side, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. But when we ask the question whether the bearish trend or trend reversal has started, still it is not confirmed that bearish trend has started. It is still trading on a range. This was a range where it has consolidated previously, then the bullish trend has started. Again we are seeing a consolidation happening over here. Once it breaks this consolidation, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. Currently the price action in daily time frame is on a sideways. Within this sideways we are seeing a bearish trend, and this level is also acting as a very strong support, because we have noticed that this level had acted as a very strong resistance in the past. The price action has to break this support level in order to continue with bearish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame and hourly time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. Again, as I explained in the daily time frame, the price action has clearly broken this support line, and this support line will be acting as a resistance line when the price action tries to go on a bullish trend. And when we look at the chart pattern formation, previously it has gone up to this level and tested the level of 1975 and retraced and tested the support level of 1876. So this resistance level and this support level will be acting as a very strong support and resistance line. So if the bearish trend reversal needs to happen, it has to break this support level of 1876 for the confirmation of the bearish trend reversal. But still Ukraine-Russia war tension is still there. So as long as this issue is not resolved, we cannot find any stability in gold. It will be fluctuating on the bullish side and bearish side. Once this issue is resolved, we can expect the start of the bearish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the past price action in hourly time frame, we can clearly notice that it went on a bullish trend, taking support on this trend line or the support line. Then again it started its bullish trend, and currently when we notice the price action, it has retested this trend line and also retested this previous support level also. So clearly from this price action we understand that the current market is moving on a sideways. It doesn't have enough bullishness or it doesn't have enough bearishness. Only when it breaks this support level of 1895 we can expect a further fall on the bearish side. Until then we can expect the sideways market to continue, and we can expect the bullish trend to start only when it breaks the resistance level of 1975. Otherwise we can expect the range bound market to continue in hourly time frame. So I am expecting the current price action also to bounce back on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is finding resistance at the previous resistance line. Once this resistance line is taken, we can expect a bullish trend to continue, but still overall the price action is in a range bound market in hourly time frame also. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it was nicely in a downtrend and took support on the hourly time frame support line or the trend line, and currently the price action is in a bullish trend or retracement. Only when it breaks this resistance line from the daily time frame, we can expect a continuation of the bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has broken this trend line. Even if the price action retraces, we can expect it to take support on this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish trend. Only when it breaks this lower support line from the hourly time frame, we can expect a fall in gold. Next level of support is going to be around 1876. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we notice a price action in 5 minutes time frame, clearly it was on a very nice bullish trend and has broken this support line or trend line, and currently it is in a retracement. As explained in the 30 minutes time frame, we can expect it to take support on the 30 minutes time frame trend line or the support line and to bounce back on the bullish side, because we know from the past price action it has retraced up to the support level of 1891, which was the previous support line from the past price action, and currently the overall price action is in a bullish trend or bounce back on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has found resistance at the resistance level of 1921 and it is on a retracement. Since this is a lower time frame, we can expect a multiple trends in this time frame. We have come to the end of the analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.